Hello group. So today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how I make my café con leche. There's been a few requests and there's no big mystery. It's really simple. All you need is 3 ingredients: café cubano, espresso, milk, and sugar. And I have made a previous video on how to make a café cubano, how to make the Cuban coffee. So all you need is Cuban coffee, milk, and sugar. And you can do it iced, cold, or you can do it hot. So I'm going to have mine cold and Eric's going to have his hot. As I told you guys before, I'm not a fan of hot coffee drinks. So, and I'll show you guys how to make it, but it's super simple. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to serve my milk first since I want it cold. And Eric is going to put this, since it's microwavable, is going to put it in the microwave for like about 1.5 minutes. So once you have your milk, you are going to add coffee as wanted or as desired onto those. You get the color that you want. The darker the milk, the stronger it is, obviously. And I'm gonna make mine not super strong. So that's how it looks now. I'm gonna stir and add some sugar. Okay, and we're gonna stir just to make sure we have the color that we want. It's fine for me. I like a light. I don't want to drink super strong coffee right now. And I'm gonna try it. I need some sugar. I'll go hello. Okay, so I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of sugar because I'm not drinking a lot. I'm gonna make sure. So again, coffee to your liking, sugar to your liking, guys. There's no trick into it. It's just milk, coffee, and sugar. Sometimes it's enough with the sugar from the coffee. I like mine sweet, and it's sweet enough. And that is my café con leche. Now Eric is gonna finish in the microwave and he's gonna drink it hot. So his milk is just out of the microwave, super steaming hot. You can do this on the stovetop as well. You get more of like a smoky taste when you do it in the stovetop. But this is the quicker way, right? So then you're gonna take all the thing on the top if there's any, like if the milk, when the milk is like la nata.
There's nothing.
Okay. I'm gonna add it to his cup. And he likes to add a lot of coffee to his. So just add your desired color. Mine's a little bit too light. Mine's a little bit too light. Okay, I added a little bit more to mine. He's gonna add a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Pruébalo porque está mío todo dulce.
No, I always put some.
Okay. And that's it. You got your café con leche. His steaming hot, 1 cold. I'm gonna add some ice to mine. And that's it, you guys.